hearts, but a dream so bright. Daghang mingon nga dili ko kaya, still I kept walking through the night. Every tear became a lesson, every fall made me stand. Jah gave me strength to carry on, with hope inside my hands. Bisan kapoy ang akong lawas, my spirit never dies. Padayon lang ang akong lakang, I can see the sunrise. Bangon pag-usap, don't lose your way. After the darkness comes a brighter day. Ligon nga kasing-kasing, never gonna break. Every little step is a chance to make one love, one dream, one destiny. Jah is always guiding me. Na ay panahon nga naging usara, but I never gave up the fight. Every storm will soon be over, the stars will always shine so bright. Dili sukdo ng tao sa kapildihan, but by the courage to begin again. Faith is stronger than the fear, victory comes to those who remain. No chains can hold my soul, no fear can steal my light. As long as my heart keeps beating, I will rise and win this fight. Bangon pag-usap, keep moving on. Your darkest night won't last that long. Padayon lang, ayaw paghuno. Your time will come before too long. Rise up high, stand up tall. Stand up tall, with Jah beside, we'll conquer all. Padayon lang, padayon lang, bangon pag-usap, one love, one heart, roots forever. Nagsugot ko sa dalanga, walay kasiguruhan. Just a simple dream inside my heart. Daghang miingon, you will never make it, pero wala punyundang, I played my part. Every scar tells a story, every fall made me strong. Bisan kapoy na ang lawas, I keep moving on. Oh, padayon lang, never give up. Strong heart beating, reaching the top. Bisan kusog ang hangin, dili ko mahadlok. With faith and love, I never stop. Rise up high, don't lose your light. Tomorrow's waiting, keep the fire bright. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. Naay gabi nga puno sa kasubo, but the sunrise reminds me to believe every challenge is a blessing if you have the courage not to leave. Life is not about how many times you fall, it's about standing after it all. Ligon nga kasing-kasing, destiny. Oh, abog sa dalan ang akong kauban. Abog sa dalan ang akong kauban, barefoot dreams under the burning sun. Every mile carried silent prayers, still my journey had just begun. Walay shortcut padulong sa damgo, only sweat upon my skin. The world kept saying, turn around, but my heart replied, I'll win. The fire inside can't be extinguished, no matter how the winds may blow. Jah keeps telling me softly, keep your faith and let it grow. Padayon lang, don't lose your flame. Every struggle will shape your name. When life gets hard, stand your ground. Your strongest roots are underground. One love, one soul. Keep believing, keep control. Nakakita ko og kahayag sa layo, even through the pouring rain. Every failure built my future, nothing ever goes in vain. Nang tinuod nga kusgan, dili ang walay kapildihan, kundi ang tao nga mo bangon, with hope in every plan. No chains can stop a free soul, no darkness steals my light. Every heartbeat sings one message, stand up, continue the fight. Padayon lang, never let go. Your season comes, just let it flow. Hold your vision, trust the way. Tomorrow brings a brighter day. Rise again, shine again. Jah will guide you to the end. Abog sa dalan, pero bulawan ang damgo. Padayon lang, roots forever, one love. Oh, padayon lang. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kada buntag sa'yo ko mabangon, walking miles just to catch the ride. Books inside an old blue backpack, big dreams I could never hide. Nay adlaw nga walay pamlete, nay gabi nga walay tulog. Still I whisper to myself, one day I'll make them proud. Every page I turn with patience, every test became my guide. Knowledge is a seed that's growing deep inside my life. One more chapter, one more day, closer to my dream, I'm on my way. Bisan lisod ang every season, Graduation came one sunny morning. Mama cried while holding my hand. She said, "Anak, birthday tang tanan, you became a better man." That diploma wasn't just paper, it carried every sacrifice, every tear, every late night study turned into a brand new life. Dreams are written little by little, not in just a single night. Keep your vision clear before you and never lose your light. One more chapter, now I'm here. Everything became so clear. From the classroom to tomorrow, I will face it without fear. Dreams come true if you believe and never choose to leave. Close the book, open a new life. Close the book, yeah. Close the book, oh. Close the book, close the book. Open a new life. The story continues. Another no sa akong inbox, another door nga wala na open. Nilingkod ko sa gawas sa boarding house, watching the sunset in silence. Nanggutan ako sa akong kaugalingon, hangtod kanus apaman. Then I stood up with one deep breath. Tomorrow starts again, maybe not today, maybe not tonight, but every step is worth the fight. Ang damgo dili-dali maabot, but I won't lose it from my sight. Ug manasad, I'll try again. Another road, another chance to win. Bisan kapila ko mapakyas, I won't let fear decide my end. The sky is wide, my hope is strong. One day I'll sing a different song. One rainy morning my phone kept ringing, unknown number on the line. Congratulations, you're accepted. Those words changed my life. Nahila ko while calling mama, manahidabo na gyud. All the waiting finally bloomed like flowers after June. Some victories arrive in silence, not with fireworks in the sky. Just a grateful heart that whispers, I never stop to try. Oh, manasad, dili na, today's where I stand. Every tear became my teacher, every scar became my plan. The road was long, but now I see the dream was waiting patiently. Salamat Pagtanaw ko sa karaang picture, dreams I wrote when I was young. Dagan na kaayong years ang nilabay, pero wala pag yun na human. My friends found their own direction, ako still searching for my way. But deep inside I heard a whisper, don't quit today. Every failure left a footprint, every heartbeat said move on. Dili pa kini ang katapusan, my story's just begun. This is my last chance to believe. I'll fight for everything I see. Bisan mapildi ko one more time, I'll never lose the fire in me. No looking back, no regrets. The best is waiting up ahead. Usa ka tawag changed my morning. You hired the voice finally said. Nahilom ko then smiled softly. All the sleepless nights made sense. Every no became a reason to become a better man. Now I know the road was shaping everything I am. Don't count the times you've fallen, count the times you chose to stand. Dreams belong to those who keep believing until they're held within their hands. This is my last chance to believe. I'll give my all until I'm free. Bisan dugay ang akong journey, I know my dream is waiting for me. One more sunrise, one more try, I'll keep my vision alive. Some dreams take longer, but they're always worth the wait. My time is coming. Sayo sa buntag, wala pa mo subang ang adlaw. Nagdala ko bag-ug usa ka damgo. Nihalok si mama, amping pirmi anak. I smiled and said I'll make it, I know. Nilarga ko nga walay kasiguruhan, only hope inside my soul. Ang kasing-kasing puno sa pangandoy, ready to chase my goal. Every mile is a lesson, every road writes a new page. Dili sayo nang akong gipili, but I'm stronger every day. I'll keep chasing my dreams, bisan layo pa ang finish line. Dili ko muhunong hangtod makita the day my stars will shine. One step closer, every sunrise, tomorrow will be mine. Yeah. Adlaw ug gabi nagtrabaho ko, no excuses, no turning back. track. Matag sweldo na ay ipadala sa balay, kay sila ang akong kusog. Every sacrifice is worth the journey. Love keeps me moving on. Success is never instant, it grows with every fight. Basta dili ka mohuno, you'll find your own line. I'm still chasing my dreams with every beat of my heart. Bisan unsa kalisod sa kinabuhi, I know this is my start. I'll come back home one day with a smile and dreams fulfilled. Ang biyahe wala pa mahuman, pero ang pagtuo mas kusgan kaysa kahadlok. Boy. Yeah. Every morning before the sunrise, mogawa si tatay with an old guitar. He smiled and said, "Don't fear tomorrow. Your dreams can take you very far." Bisan gamayra among balay, it was filled with hope and song. He taught me wealth is not in money, but in a heart that's brave and strong. The road may change, the seasons too, but truth will never fade. Every choice you make today builds the life you've always prayed. Keep your fire burning bright, even in the darkest night. Ayaw ibaligya imong damgo, let your spirit touch the sky. Step by step, day by day, better times are on the way. Yeah, yeah. Years rolled by like flowing rivers. Life became a different song. I remembered every simple lesson that kept my weary soul so strong. Dili sukdon ang imong bili sa clothes or what you own. Your greatest treasure is your courage and the kindness you have shown. When the rain begins to fall, stand with faith, don't build a wall. Every ending brings a start. Carry hope inside your heart. Keep your fire burning bright. Let your future shine with light. Bisan asa ka moadto, never lose your humble soul. Live with love, dream with pride. Let your ko pa lang naana sa karsada. Steel toe boots and a worn-out cap. Lunchbox ra ang akong kauban. Dreams inside an old backpack. Matag hollow block na akong gipasan. Murag usa ka lakang paingon sa ugma. While building someone else's house, I'm building mine in my heart. The hands may grow tired, the shoulders feel the weight, but every drop of sweat today is another brick for faith. Usaka balay, that's all I pray. A place where my family can stay. Dili man mansion, no pera kaayo, as long as love lives every day. Slowly rising, wall by wall. Faith is the strongest home of all. Pag-abot sa sweldo, una ang pamilya. Before I spend a single peso, mama said ayaw ka bala ka anak, your time will surely come. Sa bakanteng yuta, nagtindog ko usa, imagining windows facing the sun. I close my eyes and smile softly. The journey has just begun. Not every rich man owns a palace. Not every poor man loses hope. The strongest foundation in this life is a heart that learns to cope. Usaga balay, one simple dream built with love, not luxury. Every nail, every sacrifice will become my family's peace. One day soon I'll hold the key and say this home is for my family. From empty land to a place called home. From empty land, from empty land to a place called home. One dream, one family, forever. Before the sunrise, sake sa gamayng bangka, the ocean calling out my name, with an old net upon my shoulder. Every morning feels the same. Ningingon si Papa, ayaw kahadlok sa balod. Respect the sea and do your part. So I carried every lesson deep inside my heart. The waves may test my courage, the wind may change its song, but every dawn reminds me this is where I belong. Balot sa paglaum, carry me home, beyond the fear, beyond the storm. Bisan usahay gamay ang huli, I won't let my spirit fall. The sea will change, the tide will turn. Every day there's more to learn. One quiet morning, the sky turned golden, the net was heavier than before. Not because of luck alone, but years of never closing the door. Nidaga ng mga bata sa baybayon, with smiles I can't explain. That simple moment told my soul, nothing is ever in vain. Dreams are like the open ocean, wide enough for those who try. Keep your compass on your purpose, let your faith become your guide. Balot sa paglaum, I still believe the best is waiting out at sea. Every sunrise brings a blessing, every sunset sets me free. Hold your dream, don't let it go. You'll find your shore before you know. The waves keep rolling, the heart keeps hoping, and tomorrow brings another tide.